Make a wooden pencil holder for Dad this Father's Day. Start with a 4x4 that is about 4 inches long. Testors black paint goes on first as a base coat over the entire thing. Allow that to dry, then use Testors color shift on the entire thing. I used Blue Galaxy in the color shift to give it an out-of-this-world appearance. Once that dries, we'll need to add the holes for the pencils to the top. First, measure and mark for as many holes as you would like. I used a 1/2-inch drill bit for my holes, as it seemed to work with most pens and pencils. Measure any pens and pencils that you're going to use with the holder and make sure that a 1/2-inch drill bit will work in your case. Then use your drill to drill those holes. One trick is to wrap a masking tape piece around the drill bit at the depth that you would like each hole to be. And then when the tape piece gets close to the top of the wood piece, just back it out, and then each hole will be an equal depth and ready for your pencils. Now, if you want to decorate your wooden pencil holder a little bit, you can. You can absolutely leave it plain, or you can use your Cricut machine to cut out a fun design. On the countrysheetcottage.net, we have the cut file for this out-of-this-world design. So if you want to let Dad know he's out of this world, absolutely download the design, then cut it from white vinyl. Weed any excess vinyl pieces. So you want to weed all those letters out. Weeding tools makes this a bit easier, but you can absolutely use your hands as well. Once you weed all the letters, we're going to use transfer tape to transfer the design to the wood piece. Just lay the transfer tape on top of your vinyl, rub it well, and then peel back the backing of the vinyl to reveal your design. Then we'll just use that transfer tape to transfer that image onto the wood piece to let Dad know he is out of this world. Just be careful that all of those middles of those letters stay on your transfer tape and transfer to your wood block. Then just put it on your wood block, rub it down well, and this one will be ready for Dad for Father's Day. Now, the color shift paint adds a definite galaxy and out-of-this-world appearance to this piece. Look for it in a store near you and online to make this gift extra, extra special. So once you transfer the vinyl to the piece, just peel it back slowly, making sure all those middles of the letters stay on the wood block and not on your transfer tape. Once you've peeled back the entire design and remove the transfer tape completely, then burnish the design really well with your fingers, just making sure that it's stuck really, really well, making sure that all of the vinyl is adhered so that it stays on. And then you can just add in your pens and it's ready for Dad for a Father's Day gift. Now, if you've not seen the color shift paint before, it's absolutely amazing. As you move the wooden pencil holder, you can see a shift in the color of the paint. So you can see purples and blues and blacks as you move either the wooden pencil holder or move around.